Yeah, and Tyler, being a defense attorney, you know that wrongful identification is one of the leading causes, eyewitness misidentification, I will even clarify it even tighter, leading causes of wrongful convictions in this country. The Innocence Project keeps those records, at least with regard to their cases. But let me talk to you about another. The shooter here supposedly had to execute people. They thought it was going, actually, it was supposed to be a pump-action shotgun from the witnesses with his right hand, right? Now, they found Glock cartridges, not cartridges from a pump-action shotgun. But what the defense is saying, they're bringing in the plastic surgeon, is that at that time, 10 months after the incident, Michael Keetley really couldn't operate anything with his arm. And you heard her say that one of his hands was limp, and that's because he had this radial nerve damage. So does that feed into the defense here? Is this witness helping the defense?
I believe this witness is definitely helping the defense. She's being honest. So she was going back to the weight. She was asked if she's good in estimating weight. She said no. The prosecutor pushed her. She guessed that he was 150, big difference from 250. She's asked questions regarding the pain in his hand. She said she couldn't remember which hand. She did testify about the Tiger Bomb. She mentioned his hand was limp. There's a lot of things going in the defense's favor here. If he had a limp hand, how could he shoot this shotgun? Also, the misidentification of weight is I think, pretty damning for the prosecution. And the thing that this witness, I believe, is serving well, showing that she's honest. She's not trying to guess. She's answering the questions, even if she's answering not the way the prosecutors would like, because they're pushing her that way.
Yeah, and it's also interesting because we also know, all of us from doing this work, that when you have a gun involved in a crime, the witnesses focus on the gun. So the fact that they labeled it a pump-action shotgun seems to be pretty important to me. But the Glock cartridges, that's another thing. Anyhow, we'll see what pans out into that courtroom. We're going to take a quick break. Right now, when we come back, the case of Michael Keetley in Florida, the purple ice cream truck driver who he himself was attacked, had 4 gunshot wounds for $12. The state says he was out for revenge when he killed 2 people. Stay with us on the other side.